Is your Trustpilot domain name as outdated as that hairstyle you rocked in 2010? Time to give it a refresh. First things first, log into your Trustpilot business account. You'll need to be an administrator to make these changes, so make sure you have the right permissions. Once you're in, look for the settings icon or business settings option, usually found in the top right corner or a left-hand navigation menu. Click on that. On the business settings page, find the section labeled Profile Information, Company Details, or something similar. This is where your basic business information is stored. Locate the field containing your current domain name. It should be clearly labeled now. Carefully delete the old domain name and enter your new, shiny domain name. Double check for any typos, because nobody wants a misspelled website address. Once you're absolutely sure the new domain name is correct, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save, Update, or Apply Changes button. This will save your updated profile. Now that you've saved the new domain, go to your company's public Trustpilot page and verify that the domain name has been updated. If it hasn't updated immediately, give it a few minutes and refresh the page. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your domain name on Trustpilot. This simple update helps to maintain a professional and trustworthy online presence, so your customer reviews lead to the right place.